Your spa is like a giant bathtub. Regularly wiping down the surfaces is important to keeping it clean, but eventually the water gets old. So, how often should you be cleaning your hot tub? And when does the water need to be completely replaced? Check it out. Before we start cleaning, you need the right hot tub cleaning supplies. You'll want bleach, white vinegar, a hot tub cleaner, a hot tub cover cleaner, a hot tub filter cleaner, a hot tub plumbing or line flush cleaner, non-abrasive sponges, soft towels, a sump pump, and a garden hose. The first step to keeping your hot tub clean is sticking to a simple weekly cleaning schedule. This means wiping down your surfaces, rinsing your filters, and balancing your water. Once a week, you'll want to do the following. 1. Test your hot tub water. Check your alkalinity, pH, and sanitizer levels. You'll also need to test your levels again after you adjust them. 2. Sanitize and shock your water. Regularly shocking your hot tub recharges your sanitizer and keeps your hot tub healthy. 3. Rinse your hot tub filter with water. A clean filter protects against cloudy water, funky smells, bacteria, and algae blooms. 4. Wipe down your spa cover. Cleaning the cover inside and out protects against mold, mildew, and nasty smells. Use a 10% bleach to water solution to keep the mildew away. 5. Wipe down your shell, jets, and scum line with a sponge and some white vinegar. Wipe away any debris that might throw off your water chemistry, and don't forget to wipe down the headrests. Now, while weekly cleaning will help with most hot tub issues, every 3 to 4 months, you need to drain and clean your hot tub. So why do you need to completely drain your hot tub? Well, every time you use your spa, contaminants like hair products, sweat, and body oils get into the water and pass through your filter and plumbing. Unfortunately, the filter doesn't capture everything, and all those contaminants pass through your pipes, and they start to build up and create a layer called biofilm. The longer that biofilm stays stuck to the plumbing, the more contaminants stay in the water, and over time, it can affect your water flow and your filter. So the only way to get rid of biofilm is to drain your hot tub and use a special line flush cleaner. Plus, draining and cleaning every 3 to 4 months keeps the biofilm from building up and protecting your filter and plumbing system too. So when else should you drain and clean your hot tub? Besides regularly draining it every 3 to 4 months, you'll need to drain your hot tub if your spa is giving off foul odors, the water won't clear no matter what you do, you've been using your spa more frequently, or you've had people use it more than usual, or you haven't used your spa for a long time. So here's how to drain and clean your hot tub. Step 1, flush those plumbing lines. Before you drain your spa, add a line flush cleaner to break down any biofilm. Follow the package instructions and add the right amount based on your hot tub's volume. Once you've added it, let it circulate for at least 20 minutes. Now, if you've never used a line flush cleaner before, or your hot tub hasn't been used in a while, let that line flush circulate for a few hours or even overnight. The line flush cleaner may also cause gross-looking foam to form on the surface of the water as it circulates through your spa. That just means it's working and pulling all that nasty biofilm out of your hot tub's plumbing system. Real quick, before we continue, if you're looking for an easy-to-follow tutorial that'll answer all your hot tub questions, go check out our hot tub handbook and video course. You'll get in-depth video lessons plus a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything that you need to know about hot tub maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your hot tub clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of hot tub. The best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. That's swimuniversity.com/spa and use the promo code VIDEO. Step number 2, drain the water. First, you want to turn off the main breaker to your hot tub and cut off all power to your spa. You'll also need to decide where you'll be draining your water. If you don't have direct sewer access, you can run your hose into a utility sink in your home or into your lawn or garden, but just make sure that you've let your hot tub chemical levels dissipate before soaking your plants in chemically water. Now, there are 2 options for draining your spa. You can connect a hose to the spa drain and let the water slowly drain out, and just move your hose around every now and then so that the water doesn't pool up in one area of your yard or garden. Or you can use a sump pump to empty your hot tub more quickly. Just be sure to keep an eye on the water level, because if the pump continues to run once the water is gone, you can burn up the motor. You can also open up your hot tub drains to remove any remaining water. Step number 3 is to clean or replace your filter. While the water is draining from your spa, now's the time to soak your filter. Grab a 5-gallon or 20-liter bucket full of water. Add the proper dose of hot tub filter cleaner. Give the water a stir to dilute the cleaner and submerge the filter. Leave it to soak for 24 hours. Now, if you remove the filter and it's still really dirty, it's time to replace it. And be sure to rinse your filter thoroughly with clean water before placing it back into your hot tub. Step number 4, clean the hot tub shell. Once your spa is empty and you've removed the sump pump, it's time for an all-over surface cleaning. Spray your hot tub shell with a hot tub cleaner, diluted white vinegar, or diluted bleach. Be sure to get all the nooks and crannies where mildew, algae, and bacteria hide out. Use a soft towel or non-scratch nylon scrubber to remove residue. Rinse all the surfaces well and drain all the rinse water to prevent foaming when you refill your spa. Double check that all your jets are open after you finish cleaning and rinsing. This reduces the risk of water pressure problems from trapped air. Step number 5, refill the hot tub. Now, before you start adding fresh water, make sure the main breaker to your hot tub is still off. And be sure to close all your spa's drains. Insert the hose into the filter compartment and then turn on the spigot. This helps to force any trapped air out of your plumbing system, preventing a hot tub airlock. And be sure to use a hose filter to reduce impurities like calcium and copper that may affect your water chemistry. Step number 6, start up the hot tub. Turn your spa's main breaker back on, then add your sanitizer and other startup chemicals. Turn off air valves so that they don't disrupt the chemical distribution. Then you're going to want to test the water by adjusting the pH, alkalinity, and calcium hardness if necessary. Now, after letting the chemicals mix into the water for about 15 to 20 minutes, cover your spa for 24 hours to allow the chemicals to circulate and let the water heat up to at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 degrees Celsius, but no higher than 104 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Celsius. Retest the water to make sure the water is balanced. If it's not, make the necessary adjustments. Step number 7, clean the spa cover and the cabinet. If you're using a hot tub cover, now is the perfect time to wipe that down with a 10% bleach to water solution. If your hot tub is outside, you may also want to apply a protectant to the cover to avoid sun damage. Then clean your cabinet. Now, most cabinets are made from wood, so use a gentle wood cleaner or a soft towel. Now that you know how to drain your hot tub and how to clean your hot tub the right way, you can avoid lots of hot tub issues like cloudy water and scum. And if you keep your water balanced and your filters clean, you should only have to do a full drain and clean every 3 to 4 months. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know. Hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about hot tub maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And check out the hot tub handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/spa. Don't forget to enter that promo code VIDEO to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again and happy soaking.